I'm gonna fucking kill my... Why did I do that? Why did I do that? And then I died to that! Are you fucking kidding me? Dude! Dude! Back to the worst fucking built part in history. Bro, I'm making a whole like highlights video, and there'll be plenty of shit to watch, bro. Don't worry. I have like multiple hours of footage of this fucking level. Hopefully this is it. Please, please, please! Yes! Let's fucking go! Fuck this level. Matter of fact, let me turn my fucking face cam on. Yo! 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 Krmal! Delete your fucking account! You suck at making gameplay! You suck! Quit! Oh, you already quit. Unquit and delete your level! Dude, I'm crying. Dude, this level isn't even that hard. It's not even that fucking hard. Okay, give me a sec. I wish I could dislike this level, dude. It took me 18K, bro.